China's state-owned enterprises, which are directly managed by the SASAC, saw a profit jump of 7.5% from January to November period compared to the same period last year actually. Thursday's numbers show the SOE's profits climbed to 1.2 trillion yuan, that's nearly $200 billion. The total revenue in the same period amounts to nearly 22 trillion yuan, up by almost 10% from a year earlier. And tax paid rose 5.4%. Officials say nearly 9 out of 10 SOEs have by now adopted a shareholding system, and half of them have become mixed ownership companies. China has 131 central state-owned companies as of December 2013.